Many people think they need a big life to be happy. They think they need a big house, a lot of money, or expensive things. But real happiness can come from simple things. Simple things are small things in daily life. They are easy to see, easy to feel, and easy to enjoy. You do not need a lot of money to enjoy them. You only need time, an open mind, and a peaceful heart. Simple things are all around us. We only need to look. But many people do not look. They are too busy. They work a lot. They worry a lot. They think too much about the future. They forget the small moments in front of them. They forget that life is also made of small joys. Think about your morning. You open your eyes. You feel your soft bed. You see the light from your window. You hear birds or cars outside. You take a deep breath. This is a simple moment, but it is a good moment. It can make you feel calm. It can make you feel safe. You can say, I am here. I am alive. This morning is good. Simple happiness starts in your mind. Your room does not need to change. Your job does not need to change. Your life can stay the same, but your way of thinking can change. When your mind is calm, simple things feel bigger. They feel more warm and more special. Food is also a simple joy. Maybe you do not eat in a big restaurant. Maybe your meal is small, but warm food is still a gift. A bowl of rice, an egg, a banana, or a cup of soup can make you feel good. When you eat slowly, you feel the taste. You feel the warm food in your body. You can say, I have food. I have energy. This moment is enough. This is simple, but it can bring real peace. People around you can also give you simple happiness. Maybe you do not have many friends. Maybe your family is not perfect. That is okay. No family is perfect, but maybe you have one person who cares about you. Maybe it is someone who listens to you. Maybe it is someone who smiles at you. Maybe it is someone who says, Are you okay? These small actions are simple, but they make your heart warm. Nature gives simple happiness too. The blue sky, the white clouds, the sound of rain, the wind on your face, or the green trees near the road. These things are free. You do not pay for them, but they can make your mind calm. Many people look at their phone all day. They forget to look at the sky. They forget to look at flowers or trees. When you stop and look at nature, you feel more relaxed. Simple things do not mean small dreams. You can still have big dreams. You can still work for your future. But you do not need to wait for one day to feel happy. You can feel happy today with simple things. You can say, I will do my best, but I will also enjoy this moment now. This makes your life feel softer and less heavy. Think about your free time. Maybe you do not have much free time, but even a short break can help you feel better. You can drink a warm drink. You can listen to one nice song. You can sit in a quiet place. You can stretch your body. You can close your eyes for 1 minute. These simple actions give your mind rest. They remind you that you can care for yourself. Saying thank you is a simple thing too. You can say thank you for your day, your food, your room, your family, or your friends. You can say thank you for your body because it helps you walk, move, and live. This small thought can change how you feel. You begin to see more good things. You begin to feel more positive. Life is not always easy. There are sad days. There are hard days. There are days when you feel tired or lost. Simple things do not make the pain disappear, but simple things can give you a small light. A warm shower can help you relax. A clean shirt can make you feel fresh. A short walk can clear your mind. A hug can give comfort. A kind message from a friend can make you feel less alone. Small lights help you move forward. You can also give simple happiness to other people. You can smile at someone. You can open a door. You can help with a small task. You can say a kind sentence. These actions do not take much time, but they can make another person happy. When you make someone happy, you also feel warm inside. Helping others is a simple joy. Many people wait for big happiness. They say, "I will be happy when I have more money. I will be happy when I travel. I will be happy when I have a better life." But big happiness is not one big moment. Big happiness is many small happy moments together. If you do not enjoy small moments, even big moments may feel empty. It is good to ask yourself, what simple things make me happy? Maybe it is music. Maybe it is a cup of tea. Maybe it is watching the sunset. Maybe it is sitting in a quiet room. Maybe it is writing a small note. Maybe it is holding someone's hand. When you know what simple things make you happy, you can enjoy them more. Simple happiness grows slowly. It is like a small plant. You need to care for it every day. You need to see small good things. You need to take small breaks. You need to breathe and stay calm. With time, your heart becomes more peaceful. You still work. You still dream. You still face problems. But you also see small joys around you. You can say, "My life is not perfect, but there are many small good things. I can see them. I can enjoy them. And that is enough for now." Simple happiness is not far away. It is here, in your day, in your home, in your heart. You only need to slow down and see it. When you learn to enjoy simple things, every day feels softer. Every morning feels new. Every small moment feels warm. And you learn that a simple life can still be a happy life.